Hi, this is Soumya Sarkar from Redefine. Today I will be discussing about 3 multi-cap funds. So these funds may not be the great fund for 2026, but this fund has definitely put a strong fit into the multi-cap category. So if you look at the multi-cap category according to the SEBI guideline, 25% money has to be in the large cap, 25% money has to be in the mid cap and 25% in small cap. Rest 25% can be diversified into large, mid and small according to the fund manager choices. So that is a basic reason that why there is a new category of multi-cap has come up. Now if I talk about the multi-cap funds, then the 3 funds which comes to my mind, the number 1 which comes to my mind is the Kotak multi-cap fund. If you look at the last 1 year return of Kotak multi-cap fund, it is approximately 6.28%. and 3-year return is approximately 25.10%. The mean return of this fund is 21.73, standard deviation is 15.17, it has a Sharpe Ratio of 1.02, Sortino is approximately 1.34, and it has created an alpha approximately 3.75%. That means with a Sortino of 1.34 and Sharpe of 1.02, it has created a very good alpha. And if we look at the fund price to earning ratio, it is approximately 16.88 and price to book value is 2.63. It means the fund is still at the cheaper category. Next fund which comes to my mind is WhiteOak multi-cap fund. 1 year return, it has given slightly better than the Kotak multi-cap fund, approximately 6.77%. Standard deviation of that fund is approximately 14.22, Sharpe is 0.97%, less than 1, Sortino is 1.1, the alpha it has created is approximately 2.77%. Price to earning is slightly higher, is around 31.59 and price to book value is 4.47. This fund has performance wise have done well, but if you look at whether the fund is expensive or not, it has slightly on a higher side. But can it do well? Yes, it can do well because it has a good Sharpe ratio and good Sortino ratio as well. Third fund which comes to my mind, which is Nippon India multi-cap fund. It has 1 year return is approximately 4.36%, 3-year return is 23.26% and 5-year return is 25.7%. It has a mean of approximately 20.21, it has a standard deviation of 13.09, Sharpe is 1.07, Sortino is 1.64, it has created an alpha of approximately 4.03% in last 1 year. So that means this fund has done better than the Kotak as well as from the WhiteOak. But whether the fund is price to earning and price to book value, it is having a price to earning of approximately 31.84 and price to book value is 4.43. That means slightly on a expensive side. So if we look at the multi-cap category, there are so many funds, but these 3 funds actually caught my attention. I definitely tell you that it is not a recommendation to buy these funds in 2026, but if you look at the last performance of these funds, they definitely be a very strong point on investments. Whether the multi-cap funds are going to do well in this year or not, that mostly depend upon the mid-cap and small cap, how they are going to do. Because mid-cap and small cap, some of the analysts are saying that it is still on an expensive zone. So if they do well, obviously multi-cap category will do well. But if they are not doing well, still multi-cap category expected to do well because of the large cap proposition than the pure mid-cap and small cap categories. So I think this can be a good option for an investor who are not ready for a very high risk kind of a larger mid and small cap, but they want a mid and small cap with slightly flavor of a large cap. They may choose this kind of funds. Thank you for watching this video. This video is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities or mutual funds. This is also not these 3 funds are not also recommended for 2026, but definitely you can look at them. Please talk to your financial advisor and decide. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. We will come up with these kind of videos on a regular basis. Thank you.